Chicken drumsticks are one of my favorite high protein recipes. They are easy to make and can be cooked using an oven or an air fryer. The marinade I am going to show you today is extremely versatile. You can technically give any flavor to your chicken, and this is how you can do it. Start with 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. I am using olive oil here, but you can use whatever you have at home. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, around a teaspoon of onion salt, 1 teaspoonful of paprika powder, 1/4 of a lime or a lemon. If you don't have a lemon, you can add a few drops of vinegar for a tangy flavor. Now mix all of these ingredients with your oil. You can actually reduce the quantity of oil if you want to make it a little healthier. More oil just makes your chicken moist and help it cook better. If you are cooking in an air fryer, this much oil is definitely not required. Before you add your chicken drumsticks to this marination, make sure to make deep cuts on both sides. Try to make 3 cuts on the front and 2 cuts on the back. These cuts will make your chicken more flavored as the salt and other spices can get inside. I have used 8 chicken drumsticks here, which is about 1 kg of chicken. You have to keep this chicken in the marinade for about an hour. Marinating your chicken in advance gives it a better flavor, and you can keep it overnight. But if you are in rush, 30 minutes of marination is just fine. Just wrap your chicken before keeping it in the fridge. After an hour, this chicken is ready to be cooked. If you are going to make it in an oven, it is important to preheat your oven before you place your chicken inside. Turn on your oven and keep it on broil at 450°F while you are taking out your chicken on a baking sheet. Transfer your chicken to the preheated oven and let it sit on one side for exactly 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take your chicken out of the oven. Now it's time to flip it on the other side. Chicken drumsticks usually get cooked in 30 minutes, so we are going to keep it inside the oven for 15 more minutes. 30 minutes have passed and my chicken should be ready. These chicken drumsticks are fully cooked and ready to be served. The marinade I have used in this recipe will give a very neutral flavor. You can make your chicken drumsticks taste in whatever manner you like. I am going to make 2 chicken drumsticks extra spicy, which will taste exactly like hot and spicy chicken from restaurants. But you can choose the sauce or flavor of your choice. Otherwise, you can simply add some chaat masala and enjoy your chicken with green chutney to get those Indian flavor. I can show you a chicken drumstick from inside. This chicken is crispy from outside, but it's very moist, juicy and flavorful from inside. So try this chicken at home and let me know how it was. You can check out other chicken recipes on my channel, and I will see you around in the next video.